Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Ruthtv, to our channel, the Immune Boosted channel. This channel will talk about how we're going to live healthily, live happily, and using our natural remedy for us to prevent other preventables. As it is said, prevention is better than cure. And in this channel, we can use your roots, your tuber, your vegetables, your fruit, and medical personnel often tells us to eat fruit and vegetables to live healthily. Nobody have told us about taking your spice to live healthily too. And whatever we take in this channel, they are all natural, so have little or no side effects, and they are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, so they are good to prevent other preventables. They are good to prevent any inflammation, any infection cooking up in our body, as I always say in this channel. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up at the end of this video. So every now and then, like most often every Sunday, every day of the week, I upload new video in this channel concerning the drink I'm going to be taking every day of the week. Like first thing in the morning, that's this channel, you must take it fasting. So if you don't want to fast, don't join us. I'm joking. So fasting, take me on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, even before you brush your teeth, so that your cells, as you are waking up, that's the secret, can absorb all the necessary nutrients before you start eating your food, your junk food, your breakfast or whatever. But your cells are taking those important things, and these important things can be vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, zinc. Imagine all these things that are needed by our body to function properly, to prevent us from colds, sicknesses and diseases, flu or viral infection. And we can even see that this era of COVID, most people are exposed to it often, but because their immune system are not well boosted, they fall a prey. So I'm not saying that's the reason, but let's try as much as possible to boost our immune system, which is the key to living a healthy lifestyle. So this week I'm going to be teaching us how I trick my children to take vegetables. No, most kids they don't like vegetables. They just eat the fruit and they like it and all that. But there are also vitamins to take using your vegetables. So I'm going to be combining today my carrots and celery and my lemon. So I'm going to show you the secret how to make your children, your kids, take your veggie. Most children, they don't like this, and it's very good for our health and good for their head too, for strong bone. Like your celery is good for your strong bone. Yes, very good. It has potassium, it has sodium, it has calcium, and your carrot, vitamin A. Most kids, they will not like to take these things. So that even some of us, you have to go and you have to boil them to make it soft before they take your carrot. So I'm going to be teaching you the secret as I prepare it. So watch it. See you later. So as I was saying, this is how I encourage my kids to take vegetables. Any vegetable, any salad, I just add them to them, mix them, wash them properly. So you wash your celery properly. This video I've done before, the health benefits of the celery and the carrot. So you can check my page and wash it. So just quickly going to show how, after preparing my lunch, my dinner, how I quickly prepare natural juice, natural drink for my family every day, especially in this critical time, to make them live healthily, especially my little kids. So here's the carrot now. I just peel my carrots. Yes, but normally when you give them carrots, they will not take it, and sometimes they want to take it, they want you to boil it so that it will be soft. So there's a way I just strictly do it. And carrot, you know, it has this sweet taste. So I just put it together. Let's do a fast one here. Depending, I can just use only carrot, but there's a way I disguise it for my kids. It's good for them to take all these vitamins together. So remember I said that you wash properly. Carry this middle. I've washed them. So I'm going to be slicing them together. Slicing and blending together. This is what I'm going to be using for lunch today. It's for lunch today. So they don't have to take water. You can still use water, which is good, but I want them to every day take fruit and veggies. So I'll just prepare it, put on the dining table, so you can really imagine as they are eating, they are enjoying the drink, they are happy. And this one is very good because also there's no acidifier, those artificial things. It's all natural, no acidifier, that those things that we don't know how detrimental they are to our health, especially the health of our kids, the growing ones, not even we adults, but the little ones. So that's my carrot and my celery. So with the carrot, it will be have a sweet sugary taste, sweetened. It's already sweetened with the carrot. If I really want also to have that that more of your sugar or sweet taste, I can add a little bit of my banana also. So it depends. All these things you can just do it yourself. Be a good mother. Just think of what to do for your family to live healthy. Then, so I'll add the water that we normally take. Water, not normal water that we drink. So hold on while I go blend them. See you later. So that is it. That's my blender. So I'm going to sieve it so it will really look like juice. So this is how I do this for my family, to make them take the vegetables. Vegetable and oh, there's the aroma of the banana. So it's really nice. So with the little banana that I add, you can really smell it. It's nice. So on a normal day, if I really want to take this, I don't have to sieve it because I like the fiber. But because of my kids, I'm going to be sieving it. So just use your spoon to press out the juice. Yeah, so let's add this to it. So if you really take time, but that's just the body, just filter it, and so using your seed, you are turning. So that is that. So this is the chaff I'm going to be throwing away. On a normal day, I can eat it myself, but I'll be throwing this away today. Yeah, so this is what I've got for my family. That's what I'm going to be using for our lunch today. Celery, a little bit of banana, carrot. You can see the taste with the color. Even with the color, that will encourage them to take it. Unknowingly to them that there's vegetables and that they normally will not take naturally. So I just put it on the dining table. When they are eating, we take it. I just drink. It tastes nice. And with the aroma of the banana, it tastes amazing. So why not be a good mother to your family? You have to devise means, especially for the kids, for them to take vegetable and fruit this critical time. So when it's on the table like this, there's no water, you know that this is all they have to take. Even with this, I can decide to add my ginger as an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-whatever. Yes, I add it to it. Or this now, just squeeze my lemon. I'm going to be squeezing my lemon to this because I want them to take lemon today, which is filled with vitamin C. So I'm going to be squeezing it and adding it to it later. So with that amazing taste, they have no choice to take my vegetable, my celery, and my carrot. Yes, we have to be smart, especially for the benefit. If you don't want to be going to the hospital because of your kids or to the GP, you have to devise means to take care of your family. So thank you for being here. Share this video so that other mothers can benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe. As you subscribe, you are contributing to us, you are contributing to the channel, you are supporting the channel in your own way. So I've shared my ideas to you. You support me by subscribing. So thank you for watching. See you at the top. See you later. Bye.